Hi, I'm Mike from Ridgid. I'm going to show you quickly how to change the grooving set in a 918 Ridgid roll groover from the 2 to 6 inch set of rollers to the 8 to 12. So we're going to start with the top roller first. So for the removal of that we need the long Allen key out of the case, and that goes in the side here. Just turn this around for you. There's a hole in there that has a little Allen key grub screw in there, so put the Allen key in and just undo that a couple of turns. And now what we can do is push the shaft through from the back. Okay, so the shafts come through, take the shaft and then just lift the roller out. So we're going to leave the top roll out whilst we just tackle the shaft now at the bottom. So for this, turn the groove around. On the side here there's a push pin, and that push button there locks the shaft, so we need to turn the shaft and push the pin at the same time. There, and that's dropped into the hole now. We can take the square key out the box, and all we need to do simply is just undo the back locking nut and spin that off. So with the locking nut removed from the back of the shaft, we can just pull the shaft forward and out of the groover. So putting the 12-inch set back in the groove is just a reversal of removing the 2 to 6. So shaft in first. So with the shaft in place, it's time to put the locking back nut on. This has a particular way that it goes, and it actually says on the nut here, if you can just see that, it says this side out. So you put it onto the shaft that way with the taper edge going in first. Press the shaft lock, take the key and tighten the back nut up. Now time for the top roller. So the roller has a keyway and there's a key on the shaft. So what we need to do is just put the roller in and then make sure that the shaft goes through, and we line up the keyway, and that should slide all the way back in. And then all we do now is take the Allen key again into the hole and just tighten the grub screw up. And there we go, there's the 8 to 12 shaft and groove roll ready for grooving.